Well, I hope you enjoyed today's little flight over the valley here, and I can tell you the food is delicious. I actually had khao pat saparok, which is pineapple and stir-fried rice. Everybody else seemed to have spaghetti. There was a Thai mixture in there as well, but we really enjoyed our food. The price is obviously a little bit premium, but the quality is very good. I've thoroughly enjoyed my visit here, and I can recommend the Canary Farm. Yeah! I'm looking at this sign here because I'm so fed up lately of saying the wrong title of the place. The and a and my and, well, anyway, it's Canary Farm Cafe and Restaurant, and I'll leave a link in the description below and a map marker for you to see where we are today. We had a nice lunch at the Canary Farm, and we also visited a couple of coffee shops. I didn't record them because they weren't that special, but I wanted to come here to this local coffee shop, that's what it's called, with the murals along this wall, and the place is unable to serve coffee. They've got a power cut today. Anyway, I'll be back and have a coffee here another time. They do serve good coffee. Thanks for joining us today on this very quick video up here in Chiang Rai. I hope you're well, stay safe, stay happy, take care, bye-bye.
I'm gonna take you on a ride. We're gonna burn through the night. Why you're so salty? I'll still take a bite.
Okay, you can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django.
I'm gonna take you on a ride. We're gonna burn through the night. Why you're so salty? I'll still take a bite.
We can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django.
Kids, I won't stop.